20 minutes.
It means they have enjoyed talking
Yes,
from
sir.
you had your interview today or yesterday?
Sir, today only, sir, in like in afternoon only
It's
I had my
in it you are a student of which college? I have forgotten.
sir, Maharara Surajmal, sir, from Delhi, sir.
Acha, acha, Delhi College. What is your degree, please?
Sir, BBA, general.
General, BBA General. Good.
Yes, sir.
How long was the interview for you?
Sir, it lasted for, sir, 20 minutes, sir, like 18 to 20 minutes, 20
That,
minutes.
that means they have enjoyed talking to you. Itna samay tak.
Yeah, sir, like, and
Very
also, sir, sir, they like created a very friendly environment. Like they didn't let me hesitate or like get feel very nervous.
it was two gents or one man, one
Sir,
woman.
two gents, sir, two gents.
What was the average age of those two people?
So, one person's age like was between my father's age, like between 50 to 50 above, and one was like very young, like in
35,
30
40,
to 30.
35,
Yes,
35. Yeah, yeah.
yes.
Average age लेने से तो 45 आएगा.
Yes, sir. 45 to 50 like is the average age,
How
sir.
did they start the interview?
So first of all, say they asked me to sit down and get comfortable. Like they said, like don't feel nervous, be comfortable with us. Like they try to get me feel comfortable because I was getting so nervous.
What was the dress you were wearing? Pant, shirt, or
So formals, white shirt, white pants, black pants.
black pant, and also were you wearing some um, ear ornaments and all?
No, sir, I was just simple and decent. Like yes, sir,
No, no,
decent, sir.
कुछ लगाया ईयर में कुछ नहीं लगाया.
No, sir, I am wearing like very small ornaments, sir. Very small
अच्छा,
ornaments.
were they
No,
dancing?
nothing fancy, sir.
Nothing fancy नहीं है, but I wanted people to have something like in their ear so that it will dance when you speak like this. Doesn't matter. Good. Now, how did they start the interview?
Okay, sir. So, first I don't know, sir, why they were like laughing. Like when they asked me to sit down, like they both were laughing in themselves. I don't know what was the reason, sir. Then
They,
suddenly they asked me in okay.
they would have felt you are having tension. Maybe that is the reason. I
No,
don't know.
no, sir. I was very confident. Like I didn't show them like I'm feeling nervous or I'm hesitated or something.
Very good. Very
I
good.
I
Continue.
act very confidently, sir. Like I didn't show them like I'm hesitating or I'll fumble up or something. So, sir, they asked like they told me to introduce yourself. That was the first question. Then after that, I introduced myself and they asked about like in introduction I explained my internship and my additional courses, my schooling, my graduation, and about my family. And after that, so they asked me, are you willing to relocate? मैंने कहा, yes sir, I'm willing to relocate. Also sir, they after this they gave me a situation to imagine you are located in a rural area of Tamil or any south state. So and side by side you get a offer from any MNC for the role of manager or administrator. So will you be in federal bank or will you switch? Like what will you do in this situation? Like they asked me this question. So, sir, I said I said, no, sir, I will be in federal bank only. So they asked why. I said, sir, I choose banking over MNC because, sir, I wanted to be stable in this field. And accordingly, sir, I answered this question. Then they again started laughing and said, "I would have choose MNC. I won't choose rural area for like job purpose." and in between they both starting a convo, they said you should say you will switch, like you आपको ये बोलना चाहिए कि आप switch कर लोगे, आपको अगर
अच्छा,
they told कि अगर मैं
in,
होता है तो मैं तो ये बोलता कि
they talked in Hindi or English?
sir, in between they were using Hindi language, but I totally conversed in English. I
अच्छा.
didn't
So
choose.
that means it was North Indians who were interviewing you or South
No,
Indians?
sir, they were from South India only. Like their accent was not uh that I
Hindi
want.
oriented.
Like I was recalling their accent. Like I have to recall because I'm
Madrasi,
not able to
Madrasi,
understand.
Madrasi language.
I think yeah, they were from Tamil only, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Yes, sir. So ekdam se sir they started talking in Hindi with me, but I didn't converse in Hindi. I was in English only, sir.
Mm,
Because for me it's bit informal to converse in Hindi.
mm,
They were using Hindi language in between. So sir they asked कि then they laughing, then हंसना शुरू कर दिया and वो बोलते कि ठीक है अब हम याद रखेंगे कि तुमने बोला कि तुम अब साउथ में रिलोकेट कर सकते हो.
mm. Yeah, yeah. So you can relocate to South. अच्छा, अच्छा. Cut हो गया? Yeah. At that stage, I think
think
the
her
connection
internet
got
has got cut.
disconnected.
I think believe.
Yes, so that's what.
Yeah,
Yeah.
will she come again? We will just 2 minutes. We will wait. Check up. Check up. Think she
Okay.
is coming again. Here, of course, your degree is ECE. For her, it is BBA. But still, we can learn something from
Sorry
you.
sir, एकदम से call. I think there was some glitch from my side.
Yeah,
It
yeah. But don't
got
don't receive calls here till you complete this.
yes sir, yes sir. uh, yes sir. Then suddenly वो लोग अपने में हंसने लग गए and they said like कि अब हम याद रखेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम कि आपको साउथ में रिलोकेट करें क्योंकि आपने बोला ना कि आप रूरल एरिया में आप सेटल हो जाओगे, like
Mm,
sarcastically they said.
mm.
And after that like sir like जैसे उन लोगों ने बहुत फ्रेंडली एनवायरनमेंट बनाया, उन्होंने मुझे फील नहीं होने दिया कि like I am sitting in a interview.
Okay.
Sir, after that they asked what is inflation.
No,
Inflation
here
क्या होता है?
here she is telling that the interviewers were behaving in such a informal way. They wanted it to be causing no tension to the interviewees. They wanted it to be very friendly, and they were talking nicely to her.
And कहते कि tell me like tell us what do you know about Federal Bank.
Mm,
Then they also told that don't tell about history. History
mm,
कुछ मत बताना. History कुछ मत बोलना, other than history बताओ आप क्या जानते हो.
mm,
Then I said the services and the products that Federal Bank basically own.
mm.
Also, sir, they also asked what is e-rupee. E-rupee, I think.
Oh. So this is one question that is new for this girl, namely e-rupee. I think I have given e-rupee in our mm, materials also. So 1 minute. In our materials, I have given it. So we can see about e-rupee now. For example, e-rupee. Because candidates are not able to answer this question properly. Um, that is the thing. OneDrive.com e-rupee. See, I think they have when e-rupee is asked, people are telling about cryptocurrency and all. That is not required. E-rupee. So we will read this one. RBI
That is not visible.
I will show you. Just a minute. Where am I? I have to make this visible to you. Yeah. Is it visible now? No. Even now it's not
No, sir.
coming?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now,
It is
Now it's
available in the
visible.
site
mm,
also.
now it is coming. So, but of
Yes,
course,
sir.
what we have is something old only. So I think
It
we
is
should make
available in Federal Bank websites.
Acha, Federal Bank website itself, it is there. Acha, 1 minute,
Yes, sir.
just a minute. We will go to that one. Federalbank.co.in. We'll go to that. Here, e-rupee. Where is it?
Sir,
The screen
in
is
the
not
beginning of the
visible.
web page itself, it will be there. It will come like advertisement
Mm-hmm. It will come like an
slide.
advertisement. Acha, acha.
Yes, sir.
One of the slides.
The screen is not shared.
Acha. Now, this is what you are telling. Digital rupee. Download the Federal Bank app today and discover the power of digital rupee. So this we should know at this stage. So India's digital currency, CBDCR, Central Bank Digital Currency Retail. CBDC is a sovereign currency and is a legitimately true digital. Kabiram, you please read.
Yes, sir. CBDC is a sovereign currency and is legitimately the true digital electronic form of paper currency. CBDC retail, referred to as CBDCR, digital rupee, e-rupee is an electronic version of cash, primarily meant for retail transaction. E-rupee provides access to safe money for payment and settlement as it is directly liability of central bank. E-rupee will provide an additional option to currently available form of money. What is central bank digital currency or digital rupee or e-rupee? CBDC or uh, digital rupee or e-rupee is an electronic form of sovereign paper currency issued by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI). It is a legal tender exchangeable at par with the existing paper currency. It is distributed in form digital tokens in multiple denomination. 50 paise, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, and 500 rupees, similar to that of paper currency. How does it works?
1 minute. It seems they are giving in 50 paisa also. Oh, Baba.
Yes, sir.
50 paisa also. 50 paise, you cannot get even one peanut
Chocolate.
chocolate
Sir,
also you
what
cannot
is
get.
the use of this e-rupee, sir? Like, uh,
No, no. Actually, instead of you are depending on GPay, Phone Pay, and all that,
oh,
you
it is
can
like a
have
wallet as well.
wallet. It is a wallet.
Okay.
Yeah, we will see how does it work. Please see.
Yes, sir. How does it work? A customer of federal banks need to download the e-rupee application provided by the federal bank or search Federal Bank Digital Rupees on Play Store or App Store. Click on install, get respectively. Upon successful registration on application, a wallet will be created where e-token will be held by the user. A user will be able to do the following activities on the application: load and redeem e-rupees, send and receive or collect e-rupees, scan and pay using e-rupees. Third, how can you join the e-rupee ecosystem? Only eligible Federal Bank customers can use the application from Federal Bank. If you are not existing customer, click here to get started and open a hassle-free account now in under 3 minutes. Currently, the program is invite only, and the users who received an SMS email invite can access the application. If you wish to participate and join the ecosystem, register your interest here. Is e-rupee as same as the cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin? No. E-rupee is digital form of currency backed by the RBI and is exchangeable on par with paper currency, while cryptocurrencies are currencies which are not backed by RBI.
Please read
Where
this
I
again.
can,
Please
yes,
read
sir.
again. 4.
4. Is e-rupee same as cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin? No. E-rupee is digital form of currency backed by RBI and is exchangeable on par with the paper currency, while Cryptocurrencies are currencies which are not backed by the RBI. 5. Where can I use e-rupees? E-rupee can be used to make payments at select merchant outlets. Click here for complete list of merchants.
1 minute. Click here for the complete list of merchants. I think not all people will accept e-rupee. Maybe
It's like a
some
digital wallet.
digital wallet. Yeah. So
Yes.
you are retaining it like it, and then you will be using it. So this many shops. Soy SR refrigeration. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad itself, so many. Bobri, so many shops in Ahmedabad.
There are 3,600 pages, sir.
3,600 pages.
Yes, sir.
Pages or 3,600 people.
3,600 pages, sir.
Bobri, Bob. 3,600. Bobri, Bob. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, லட்சம். More than 3 lakhs people are engaged in this. Acha, good, good, good,
Yes.
good. That's good. But this much detail is not required for us. We don't require this. But what we need is we have to go to this one.
I've
Where are
turned
you?
off the screen
Federal
shares.
Bank. Acha, 1 minute. I'm sharing Federal Bank. Federal Bank, Federal Bank. Where is it? This one. So I think we should go back, na? Which this is the booklet. How to go back to Federal Bank now? Bobre,
Sir,
Sir,
3,000
there is a
right
back option in the top corner now. Top left corner.
here.
top left
Top, sir.
corner, right,
Yeah, there
left
is.
arrow. Yes.
That one. Yeah. Now you read Bob. So many pages. Today only I'm seeing so many pages.
5.
Yeah. How can I
Can I
make
read it?
payment? Yeah, please read.
Yes. How can I make payment to merchant who doesn't have CBDC QR? CBDC is now inter intro interoperable with UPI. Now users can scan both UPI and CBDC QRs to make payments. However, UPI application cannot be used to scan and pay through CBDC QR.
Now, interested to join e-rupee pilot? Please share your details. Are you living abroad? Mobile number, email, submit. That's all. That much will be do. That much will do for that question. Now we can go to that that Federal Bank. This one. Are you listening now?
Yes, sir. But the screen you have turned off. The screen share.
So I will do it.
Okay, sir.
Family, sir. That's why
थोड़ा
there's some disturbance.
थोड़ा बाहर आ जाना.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. One more call is coming. Just a minute. Hello. Good evening, Atul.
Are you having trouble trying to keep up with your professor? You've got to try Otter. Here's how it works.
Yeah, tell me. No, I am in the midst of an interview. What is it your need? Just tell me quickly. Your interview is on which date? No problem. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's both Samay hai. I am now in an interview. Thank you. Please message me your points. Yeah. Laisha. Yeah, tell me. Laisha, are you there online?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Make it.
Yes, sir. They asked me about e-rupee, and they also asked what do you know about Federal Bank other than history. Then I elaborated this answer. after that, sir, they asked me, what are your hobbies other than like dancing and reading? Then I told sir like I like to see spiritual videos and I like to write blogs on spirituality. Then they were like, you are so young for this spirituality and all that stuff. Then they asked like from where you got this sense of spirituality, like you are so young at this age. So like at this young age, people are not into that much into spirituality. Why are you into spirituality?
Mm.
Accordingly, they asked some personal questions like about my father, mother,
Mm.
and then and so they
थोड़ा
asked what is
थोड़ा loudly बात
yes,
करो ना, थोड़ा loudly बात करो.
yes, sir. So they also asked what is an NPA, non-performing assets. Define NPA.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Then I elaborated that NPA. And sir, what is cash reserve ratio?
Okay. Next.
And so they asked what is current current reserve repo ratio RRR current क्या चल रहा है? And so lastly they asked lastly they concluded like do you have any other question to ask? Then sir I asked them like about my feedback from both of them. So they said you were
Very
kind
clever,
and
very
you
very
communicated well, you
bold,
performed well, but
Mm.
for the next time, for the future perspective, be genuine with your answers. I don't know, sir, why they said this.
See, actually, from the way they have told, be genuine in your answers. Probably they felt the answer she gave about spirituality, etc., was not what they expected. Maybe that is what it is. So, in this case, in the case of this candidate, it is realistic only. She really believes in that and she has told like that, but still they felt probably she was giving some artificial answers. I am at the end, I am telling her I am estimating the success at 60-40. Success 60, neglect, I mean, not selected 40, because it's a very ticklish situation. The the heart of heart, if you start feeling this comment makes me feel they are not convinced about the answers given by her, but we can't decide like that also. Some cases
Whether she
like
is
this,
the results
people
are
have been selected. Yeah. Yes, please. Tomorrow the result will come. Yeah.
okay, sir.
They said be genuine with your answers. Overall, you spoke well, you performed well, but be genuine with your answers.
So maybe they thought about your spirituality as some special, I mean, cooked answer. Maybe
I don't know, sir, why they said this, but in real, I'm into spirituality. I don't know why they said this.
it is okay. No problem. Then,
Also, sir, yeah, one question they also asked, why should we hire? They also asked this also.
okay. Next.
And also one question was that, sir, yeah, anticipation also, sir, they asked like, what if we don't hire you? They also
Okay.
asked me this.
Next.
What if
So this is how they will tease you in the interview. What will you do if we hire you? What will you do if we don't hire you? Like that, why should we hire you? Why should we not hire you? This type of ulta balta questions they will be asking.
we don't hire you?
Okay.
Next, they asked, tell us something about your uh, devotional god. Like I said, sir, I am into Lord Shiva. So they asked
Super,
about Lord
super,
Shiva.
super, super.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Then,
I don't know why they asked this question,
now this
but
they will ask.
I
In
have to
fact,
answer.
even I would have been asking these questions to you because
Yes, sir.
when you say devotional, these are the questions that will follow.
So they were a bit shocked, like why I'm into spirituality at this young age.
Yeah,
They were
yeah,
shocked with my answer.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Next.
Yeah. Yeah, sir, these were the only question. That's all.
Anyhow, your interview has gone very well. Your
Yes,
interview
sir.
has gone very well, but much depends on their impression about you.
Sir,
As
I
in your
yes.
college, everybody was wearing pant shirt only,
Yes, sir. Sir, we were instructed to
compelled.
be in formals only. So we were
Then it's
instructed.
okay. Then it's okay. Because
Yes, sir. We were
in some places they are
Hmm.
attracted by the beauty of the candidates that they have selected in Surat and all.
Actually, sir, I like as you instructed me, sir, like you have to smile throughout the
Yeah,
interview and you have to eye
yeah,
contact. Sir, I did that. I did that,
very
sir.
good, very good. So
I did that, sir.
best wishes. You have done your interview very well. You have done your duty well. Rest is in
Yes, sir.
God's hands.
Yes,
Rest is
sir.
in
Yes,
God's hands.
sir.
Bhagwan ka paas
Also,
hai.
sir, they said me. Also, sir, they said me that you are pleasant, you are nice, and you. I don't know, sir. They also said you have good looks.
Hmm,
Personality अच्छा है आपका काफी. आपने
hmm,
अच्छा बोला. बस थोड़ा
hmm,
सा genuine रहना अपने आंसर से.
hmm,
Like genuine answers जो देते हैं वो थोड़ा सा उनका positive रहता है थोड़ा सा impression.
hmm. Good.
I'm just confused like why they said this genuine about
It's okay.
genuine.
I will rate the chances as 60-40.
Okay.
I will rate the chances as 60-40. I won't say 50-50. 60
Hmm.
40. 60 favor against 40. But Bhagwan
Okay,
may have.
sir.
So don't worry. Best wishes.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So that was the question. Those were the questions that we received today. And now, candidates, do you have any doubts or questions in your mind? Because almost all of you are very seniors.
Sir,
It, yes,
what is a stock, sir? Like
what is
difference between stock and share. What is it, sir?
Different. Actually, a layman like us, we won't be able to differentiate. Stock normally, stock and share difference. For all intents and purposes, are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Stocks and shares refer to the same thing.
Okay.
The minor distinction between stocks and shares is usually overlooked, and it has more to do with syntax than financial or legal accuracy. To invest in stocks, or more specifically, to invest in share of a company stock, you will need your brokerage account. What is the difference between stock and share? I think now Copilot is going to tell us. We will see that. Copilot is telling like this. The stocks, the more general term, refers to ownership in one or more companies. Categories like energy stocks, value stocks, blue chip stocks relate to the corporations that issued them. Common
So what is
stocks,
blue chip stocks? It is in SBI also, no, sir. SBI blue chip.
blue chip means top companies,
Okay.
top companies. Common stocks that the type most people invest in represent shares of ownership in a corporation. Stocks exclusively refer to corporate equities traded on stock exchange. We can use this. Stocks exclusively refer to, please write down this. Stocks exclusively refer to corporate equities traded on stock exchange. Shares, the individual units of ownership, often refers to ownership of a specific company. When someone says they own shares, it prompts the question, shares in what company? Common shares represent a claim on profits, dividends, and confer voting rights. In summary, stocks encompass ownership in companies, while shares are the smallest denominations of a company stock, each with distinct rights and privileges. Okay.
Moreover, both of them are same, right, sir?
Both of them are same. Both you first you can use the phrase both of them are same, but normally stocks refer to corporate equities traded on stock exchange. Shares are, say, they include the shares in private limited companies or unquoted shares also. Unquoted in stock exchange. Okay, very good. Next, any question, any other doubts? विजय हजारे आपको कुछ
Yes,
डाउट
sir.
है?
How will we tackle that? If you are posted in North India, how will you drag customers like that?
They have asked today for Sanjay, sir.
Sanjay, sir.
Yeah.
He
How
If you
do
said
are
you?
that
posted,
I can make friends. You cannot make friends within a week. What should we do? What will you do? Like that, they asked, sir.
My suggestion will be number one, I will learn about our product thoroughly.
Okay, sir.
I will try to learn basics of the local language.
Okay, sir.
If possible, I will try to take a local friend of that area with me so that he can be of an introduction about me to them, and then so that they will have confidence in me.
Okay.
Something like that. There is no the correct answer. Whatever answer you give, if the person wants to feel satisfied, he can satisfy himself. Otherwise, he will say, no, it is not correct. They have disputed like this. When you say, I will make friendship with others, they say that you cannot make friendship within 1 week or 1 day. Correct? It's a correct answer only. But the ultimate answer has to be I will develop a keen interest in learning about the projects or products, and I will develop also a desire to impress others. So I will behave in such a way they are happy with my explanations. This is what it is, nothing else. See, in the end, they should be satisfied. See, there are hundreds of students with me, hundreds of students, but only this girl has taken it right to come to us after the interview and share her experience. It's because of the confidence she has in me or the system that we are working. So that way, the customer must develop confidence in you, in which case he will come and transact with you. Could you follow? So that is
Yes,
what
sir.
is more important. She has been sharing more ideas which normally may not share with others, but then that much confidence she has in our system. This is a very good group where there is not much of a problem. So that is the level. So that is the level of confidence you should create in the minds of the customer. Actually, in net result, what happens? I will be interested in talking to you when I feel there is some gain I can make out of this. The same thing, if the customer will be talking to you when he believes that you can do something good for him by putting his investment in a profitable way, and your investments are safe. In fact, it is not very relevant, but still let me quote here. I recently came across an elderly gentleman from Kerala, now in this place, very elderly, 10 years older than me. Not 10, 7 or 8 years. He said he lost 45 lakhs rupees in an investment made by him in a company in Kerala, Popular Finance Limited, something like that. So that how it happens. How it happens like this? It's because the customer feels that the investment with that company is safe and he comes and invests in that. Later on, that fellow has cheated. So do you follow what I say? See, the we the Federal Bank is not interested in cheating others or say putting others into problem. You are the representative of the Federal Bank. You try to canvass deposits from them and create a positive impression. But of course, there is one more angle to this. Many times, the private bankers or even public sector bankers, what they do, they try to canvas for a mutual fund or an account or an insurance wherein they get more commission. So that also happened. There are some complaints against ICICI Prudential company also, where a person wanted to go and deposit money in fixed deposit. They migrated him to some other type of investment. In the end, that investment has come down like anything now. They are not getting any money from that. So that type of problems are there. So what we should do, you must, I mean, I will talk in such a way, I will behave in such a way the customer develops confidence in me and he is able to transact his financial transactions with our institution. You always say our institution, say the bank. So that is how you have to manage. Even this answer is not a convincing one. But what else we can do? The point, if you are going to say, I will learn Hindi, they will say you can't learn Hindi in 1 week. There are very many Telugu people in Coimbatore studying for the last 4 years, not able to talk comfortably in Tamil language. Yes, in our group itself, there are so many people who cannot talk in Tamil language, though they have been living in Tamil Nadu for the last 4 years. When I ask like that, they say, sir, 2 years I was in COVID, sir. So only 1.5 years I am there in the college. It's all faltu. The desire to learn languages will come only if you are living in a place where there is compulsion. I was in Kolkata for 1.5 years. I did not learn Bengali. I did not learn Hindi. I was in Siliguri and Jalpaiguri for 2 years. There was compulsion on my part to speak in Hindi, to think in Hindi, to think in Bengali. So I learned it. Automatically, the same tendency continued once I reached Delhi also after a lapse of 20 years, 15 years, 16 years. Yeah. So it depends. Of course, there should be desire to learn. You know, when you talk in local language, the customers feel very happy. And when you talk in broken languages also, they will be very happy. For example, Vijay Ajare, what is your mother tongue? Marathi, na?
Yes, sir, Marathi.
But of course, I can't speak in Marathi. But if I speak to him in Hindi, हिंदी में बात करने से तो उनको बहुत प्यार हो जाएगा हमारे से. He will start liking me and he will talk more freely with me. Similarly, Banu Prakash, సో మనవాడు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. వాడి దగ్గర తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే వాడు బహుత్ ప్లీజింగ్ అవుతున్నారు. And he will talk more freely with me. So that is why you should you cannot learn one language within 1 month or 1 week and all. It will take time, but you can tell, I will show interest in learning the local language also. I will use the services of people who are working along with me wherever they can come with me. So likewise, you can try to tell. Okay. But this is how you have to manage that question. This question, they know 100% there is no correct answer for this. And only they want to know how will you manage a stress situation. If they ask some tough question, how are you managing it? See, they also told this girl, Look, you told that you will be staying in South India and you will be comfortable there. I mean, as if it is a warning to her. If we post it to South India, you should not ask for repatriation to North India. I said, but 90% for clerical staff, they won't post very much all India and all. They will post within the state also or nearby states. But Vishwas was telling in his college, they told it will be within Tamil Nadu. You can't believe that. That might have been told by one officer or one manager. The management may not subscribe to that if they cannot accommodate people within the same area. It depends. Let us hope you will get within the same area. Even if you are not getting within the same area, you must be willing to manipulate, because now that the salary has been increased to around 40,000 or so, you can work independently in a new area. You can save around 15,000 from that also. That's how you have to be willing to go out. Yeah. Any questions, Ajay Ajare, you have regarding in insurance? Did you
In
did you
IBPS,
come across
hello,
some questions they have asked today in Chennai? Yeah. Hello? Did you come across some questions, Vijay Ajare? This internet is creating a lot of trouble.
hello,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, yes, please.
Sir,
But
I have one question, sir. Actually,
yeah.
during my IBPS interview, they asked me one question about like tell us about Vijay Hazare. So I asked them which one, I or cricketer, sir. Is it okay,
Which
sir?
one?
Okay.
Which one?
Yes,
About myself or cricketer?
but
You said like that. Acha?
sir,
No,
all the
was it
okay,
after you are telling about yourself, or was it before you are telling about yourself?
okay.
Tell me.
So is it okay, sir?
No, no, no.
Asking them,
I am asking you, ये पहले
but
था और आप बोलने का बाद में था?
okay.
बोलो ना.
Uh,
हेलो.
what?
कुछ समझ में नहीं
Yes, sir.
आता है आपको. हमने पूछ रहे हैं ये बात उन्होंने कब बोला. आप अपना
Do,
इंट्रोडक्शन देने का बाद में पूछा है और उसका पहले पूछा है.
last me, sir. Last me,
लास्ट
sir.
लास्ट में मीन्स
Last
you
question.
should talk about that Vijay Hazare cricketer,
Yes, sir.
but you should not have asked that question,
Okay.
because you guess what you want and speak about it. If they say that is not correct, they will ask you to change.
Okay.
Yeah. Which other questions you could not answer properly in that IBPS PO interview?
Actually, they ask us simple questions. I answered very well. But sir, in mains, I got very less mark. Actually, I cleared mm, with cutoff only.
Exactly cut
I
off.
don't exactly cutoff, sir.
अच्छा, एग्जैक्टली कट ऑफ में होने से तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. अनलेस यू स्कोर 20 आउट ऑफ 20, यू कैन नॉट
Yes,
गेट
sir.
इट. आपने कितना मार्क्स स्कोर किया इंटरव्यू में?
Uh, 70, nearly
70%.
72. Yes, sir. Out of
Okay.
100.
70 is not a bad mark, but since you have scored exactly cut
Yes.
off, that is why you were not selected. But in this Federal Bank, touchwood, you
Oh,
can't quote me. Other things remaining constant, if your interview goes well, you will be selected.
actually, sir,
If
my
you,
interview in United India.
I know, you are now going to United India. United India Insurance, they will take into account your written test marks and also your interview marks. Now,
Yes.
Can you tell me how many general insurance companies are there in our country?
Nearly 32, sir.
Nearly 32. Are you sure?
Yes. Yes, sir.
IRDAI, General Insurance Companies in India. Hmm. List of general insurers, IRDA. Arey bhai, you are getting it online. Why don't you go through that and get the exact answer? Why do you have to use maybe, may not be, like that and all? So they have given only 27 companies.
Okay.
Yeah, 27 companies they are given. General,
Sir, 27 and plus
four, yeah,
four
four public sector. Na?
public sector. Yes, sir.
But here, have they not included public sector? पहले include नहीं किया ना क्या? किया है जी. Agriculture insurance, Bajaj, अच्छा अच्छा, ये वो का insurance. Have they arranged it in alphabetical order?
Yes, yes, sir.
So
They
yeah,
included.
they
Yes, sir.
included Oriental Insurance also.
Yes.
General Insurance Company Limited. Then other so 27 only. If IRDA website gives only 27, you are right when you say 27. You can say as per IRDAI website, number of companies this much. You can say like this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Then why people are taking insurance? Tell me.
When, sir, um, to secure their for financial protection, they take the insurance for their insurable objects.
No. See, you are struggling too much. You should tell people take insurance in order to cover the risks. There is a risk of fire, I cover it up. There is a risk of flood, I cover it up. And by covering that risk, I try to ensure that my financial position is not affected by the fire, by the burglary. So same way, now I will ask Giri Shankar, please tell me why people are coming to banks. Hello, Giri Shankar.
Yes, sir.
Why
People
people?
coming,
Mm.
people coming banks for de- uh, opening an account like savings account, current account, and making a fixed deposit. These are the uses of banks, sir.
Why do they open fixed deposits, savings account and all?
Sir, savings account is used for the daily usage, like for e-commerce purposes, and fixed deposit when the person have money, he or she can put in a fixed deposit, so they can get interest and do their welfare, sir.
You are not answering the question properly. Who can answer me this question?
To have their
Why?
money in the safe hand, sir.
Why to have their money?
In the safe hand and to protect their money. In
Mm, correct. Then
also to have as a point of investment, sir. Bank do give
both.
interest for people.
And
Yeah.
to they have deposit the amount for their future securities, sir.
Security, investment, and savings.
Savings.
So throws
Huh?
so through
For
savings
And
account
also
they
for
can.
the credits also.
and also for credit. What is credit?
Credit.
That is for borrowing. You
Yeah,
mean
yes,
to
sir.
say they
Borrowing.
come to banks for
Loan.
borrowing.
Yes, sir. Yes.
They also come to banks for keeping their
Cash
valuables under
or amount in a safe place.
under safe deposit locker. They want to keep their valuables in safe deposit locker. Then banks, they also approach banks for getting credit card, or they approach bankers for, say, the opening of letter of credit or opening of guarantees, non-fund based business. So actually main reason is one, for safety, two, for interest income, then three, for again locker, four, for other banking services like, say, opening a insurance policy or mutual fund investment and all that. That is why they come to the bank. Now they are asking one interesting question. What are the different ways by which you can access your bank account? I don't
Internet
know.
banking, mobile
Or,
banking, UPI, right, sir?
internet
ATM.
banking, ATM,
Mobile
Mobile
banking
mobile banking,
UPI,
UPI,
Cash
on
ATMs,
machine.
ATM,
debit card,
uh,
ATM
mm,
and over the branch.
you can also go to the branch.
branch.
That branch, you can go to that branch or to another branch also. You
Yes, sir.
can always, because it's all core banking, you can go and approach through
Sir,
another
I
branch
have
also.
a long-term doubt, sir.
Yeah.
If I have a Canara Bank account in Coimbatore and coming to Chennai, where I can in Chennai branch where I can get my money, sir, from that
Yeah.
bank.
You can get money.
Irrespective of branch.
You can get money from Chennai branch provided you go in person.
Oh,
You
okay, sir.
can't send that check through somebody else.
Hmm.
So, but nowadays that system has lost its relevance because of ATM cards. People use ATM cards and withdraw money immediately.
Sir,
There
but
is
there
no
are
need.
some limitations for that. So, sir, we can take only up to this much amount on a day
Yeah,
on
yeah,
ATMs.
yeah,
But
yeah.
if we approach a bank, means we can get a
ATM.
larger amount.
Yeah, ATM. In Indian bank, if I draw money from Indian bank, I can take up to some limit I am prescribing, 50,000 or 1 lakh, like that. But when I go to another bank ATM, I can take maximum of 10,000 only. That is their rules. So that much problem is there. So in order to overcome that, when you go in person to another branch, you can draw any amount of your choice provided you go with your check and your signature also tallies. Understand?
Yes, sir. We can
Yeah.
deposit money by filling the challan and we can take the money by giving a check. Or is there any other process by we can take a money from our accounts? There is
No,
no process of.
there is no other way, because only you can take a demand draft with you. You can encash it there.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
You can, yeah, yes, please.
sir, yeah, earlier you said that they will tease you by the questions like, "What if we don't hire you?" So in that situation, we will, if we say that like, I will be continue with applying for the banking sector jobs and all. If like that, we have to say no, sir.
It depends. You know, mm, to be frank, in this present scenario where job market in our respective area is not good, this is the only option. See, ECE, triple E, you cannot get a job nowadays for more than
15,000 rupees or 13,000 rupees, not more than that. In fact, yesterday or day before yesterday, I was watching a Nia Nana program in Vijay TV, where the program is about parents complaining about sons who are not going for jobs. Believe me, in that 80% of the people are engineers, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, ACE, computer science engineer, and most of them are telling that I am not happy in working in one place. That is a BPO job. I was not feeling happy, so I came out. I was feeling bad in working in one place, sitting in one place. So I wanted to do business. So I started this business. The business did not go well. So like that, the arguments go. So the point I would like to stress is job market is not that very green now. Earlier days, they were offering 3 lakhs when 3 lakhs was a very good sum compared to outside market. Now also they are offering 3 lakhs or 44 lakhs only. So that is not a decent sum nowadays. And in some cases, it is much less than that. So the other option is for you to try for jobs in, say, marketing area. Marketing, if you go, you may get. Or here, say in government sector. That is the thing. So you can say, I will try for, say, again joining Federal Bank again through Pan India recruitment or to other banks through IBPS. Now, candidates, you must be aware that IBPS advertisement has come. 1 minute. IBPS.in. I think the last date, if it is there, you can apply. I think now the advertisement for IBPS.in. IBPS RRB is going. Has it not started? Anybody knows about IBPS RRB as the date started or not?
नेक्स्ट मंथ में आएगी सर.
अच्छा अच्छा अभी तक आया नहीं. Very good. Thanks for correcting me. So candidates, be watchful about IBPS.in. When the advertisement come, you can apply, provided there are vacancies in your state. Do not apply for vacancies in other states because the local language requirement is a must. Scale 1 and clerk. Okay. So that is a very important thing. After that, IBPS RRB, IBPS clerk will come. I mean, first PO will come, then clerk will come. You can apply for all that. But in all that, candidates, believe me, competition is very, very, very severe compared to what you had now, what you are having now. Don't think I am threatening you or like that. It is the situation. So please
Sir,
give your best in this
calendar,
interview.
tentative calendar.
Pardon?
There is a tentative calendar, sir,
Acha, I know.
in recent updates.
Acha, they have given tentative calendar. Oh, yeah. I must have also seen it, but I don't know. Tentative calendar किधर मिलता है about us? अच्छा इधर
ऊपर है सर, ऊपर ऊपर.
ऊपर दिया है ना?
यस सर. नहीं
Engagement
ऊपर सर. वो यस
इसका ऊपर.
रिसेंट अपडेट्स में सर. थोड़ा नीचे लो सर. यस. नो ऊपर है सर, थोड़ा ऊपर लो. नहीं ऊपर सर.
I know. Home, about us, services, carriers, tenders. इधर में I am not getting.
In recent updates, sir. Yes. 15th of January 2000.
Hmm?
Ye-
Tentative
yes, sir.
calendar that they are. Yeah, this is the tentative calendar for RRB examinations. Examination date they have given, but when they will give advertisement, date is not given. So I think first what is coming is RRB, then comes RRB clerk and PO also. RRB
Here
clerk
PO
and
is not required any PG, sir.
no, PO requires only graduation degree.
Okay.
Only in Federal Bank, Karnataka Bank, they require post graduation for PO. Then
In South
specialist
Indian
of,
Bank also there is no post graduation for PO, sir.
yeah, only clerk will do. I mean, graduation will do. Now they are
Okay.
going for PO recruitment in colleges for campus outs. They go.
Okay.
The here clerk, probationary officer, specialist officers. Specialist officer means ECE. You are all eligible for applying for your own line. But for that, you have to study objective questions up to gate level. Then for agriculture means you have to study about agriculture thoroughly. Probationary officers, you will have reasoning, quants, English, computer knowledge, general knowledge, including banking and current affairs. Then interview. The easiest way is clerk only, prelims, then mains, and mains again same 5 subjects. But one advantage in clerk is there will not be any interviews. Straight
Oh,
away you will get appointment in banks.
IBPS,
So
sir.
IBPS and also SBI. No interview at all for clerk.
Okay.
That is the
If
thing.
we cleared that prelims means we will prelims and mains means we will get to a job, sir.
But the cutoff is very high. Cutoff
Oh.
is very tough. Yeah. So very good. Best wishes. So
Don't doubt, sir.
tomorrow is the D day when the seniors are attending the interview. Kaviram,
Thank you,
Viswa,
sir.
Thank you so
all
It
of
much.
is
you
like
are
a 3 months.
3 months campus recruitment program. Very nice. Good. Tell me. Yeah. Any doubt? Somebody wanted some doubt.
Don't doubt, sir.
Yeah.
They ask which banks do you prefer, like whether you prefer public sector or private sector. What can I tell him? Tell them, sir.
You can say if I get selected in Federal Bank, I will continue to work in Federal Bank because the salary offered and the service conditions are same as that of public sector banks. And in fact, I understand the employees of Federal Bank are much more happier than the employees of our public sector bank. This I could know by talking to some of my relatives who are working in federal and also in public sector. Something like that. Some udans you have to tell.
Okay,
You
sir.
are, yeah. Any other questions? Vijay Ajare, um, um,
Yes, sir.
please ask some question to Viswas. Some banking
Yes, sir.
question that was
Banking
asked
question.
to you
Okay.
in IBPS PO.
Sure, sir.
Come on,
Hello.
quick.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Vijay sir. You are audible.
What is the repo rate?
Current repo rate is 6.5%, sir.
No, no, no. What
What
is
is mean by repo
mean?
rate?
Yes.
Explanation.
Yeah. Uh, Repo rate is a rate at which RBI, Reserve Bank of India, lends money to the commercial banks.
For short term.
Repo rate is a main particle which controls the inflation, and it is a part of a monetary policy tools.
No, but you omitted one important word, short term.
Short term. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Or overnight basis or short.
Short term.
Okay, okay.
Overnight basis means what is that facility called? Kabiram?
Marginal standing facilities.
Good. Excellent. When banks have surplus money with them, where they can park for higher rate of interest, what is that scheme called? Giri Shankar?
Reverse repo. Sorry,
No,
sorry.
no, wrong.
Sir, what is the question, sir?
Question is, supposing banks have surplus funds, in
Yes, sir.
which scheme they can invest so that they will get a higher return than a reverse repo rate?
Sir, they can invest in mutual funds and stock markets.
Wrong. Standing deposit
Standing.
facility,
Yes, sir.
SDF is
SDF. Banu Prakash. Banu
Yes,
Prakash, what is your degree, please?
sir. ACE, sir. Electronics
ECE.
and Communication Engineering.
So, what are the top companies in ECE in India?
In India, Tejas Networks and Wipro and Cadence, sir.
Mhm. Okay. Wipro, why are you not mentioning about Infosys and all?
Sir, it's not related to electronics and communication background, sir.
It's information technology company now, sir.
Acha, I don't know. Very good, very
Sir,
good.
Cisco and Bell also, sir.
Oh, Cisco and Bharat Electronics Limited, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Bharat Electronics. I was told Bharat Electronics Limited company in Bangalore is very good. The salary may be less, but their privileges are very good. They give very good breakfast. They give very good lunch at cheap rates. That's what the old friend I told you, na, who is staying here. He worked in BEL, Bengaluru. Yeah. Good.
Actually, in Zoho, they will provide 24/7 food, like three time food free, sir.
Acha. Excellent. Zoho. Good.
nowadays every corporate companies are giving the food and allowances.
Very
Mostly.
good. Now that is good. Yeah. Very good. Any other question? Now let me ask.
Yes.
Let me ask, who is the Union Agriculture Minister?
Agriculture.
Vijay Ajare?
Sri Arjun Munda.
Correct. Now, who is the Consumer Affairs Minister? Naveen?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Anybody knows? Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal. Yeah, very good. Now, can you tell, last question for today, can you tell the names of 5 people who were governors of RBI? Who can take up this question?
I can.
Come on, tell.
Mr. Shakti Kantadas.
Mm.
Mr. Janagiraman Swaminathan.
Mm.
Mr. Rajesh Rao.
Mm.
Sir,
Mr.
they are deputy
Listen.
governor.
Wait. He is doing mistake. Not knowing he is doing mistake. Kabiram. The
Yes, sir.
mistake
I
you
am
did.
saying about the current governors and deputy governors. You
What
are
I
asking
asked.
about 5 governors list.
Then why did you answer like this?
I thought it was a current governors and deputy governors list. Okay, sir. I
No,
will correct.
you must listen carefully and answer. I think you are answering quickly than what is needed.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
can I
I
say
will
that?
take my time.
Who can answer this now? Your chance
Sir,
is over. Yeah.
sir, can I answer, sir?
Yeah, Naveen, tell.
Sir, it's YV Reddy, uh,
Mm.
D. Subba Reddy,
Mm.
and Raghuram Rajan,
Mm.
C. Rangarajan,
Mm.
Urjit Patel, and Shaktikanta Das.
One thing you said, Subba Reddy is wrong. Subba Rao.
Oh, sorry, sir. D. Subba Rao.
Subba Rao.
Sorry.
Doesn't matter. No problem. Good. Can you tell me the names of next question to somebody else? Viswas can take, or Lalit Kumar can take, or Banu can take.
Okay.
5 finance ministers of India.
Nirmala
I
Sitharaman.
think these are all out of portion questions, na?
Yes.
Anyhow, I wish you should not get such tough
I
questions.
remember the two Manmohan Singh and Nirmala Sitharaman. Sir.
Mhm. There are other people also. Yashwant Sinha, then Pranab Mukherjee,
Okay.
like that, then Morarji Desai, so many people. Doesn't matter. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
I wish all of you success.
Sure, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
God
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you for
bless
your
you.
patience.
God bless
Yes.
you. Mr. Of the two, who came first, Kaviram or Vishwas? Who joined our college first?
Kaviram first. Sir.
I came
Kaviram.
first after one day Vishwa joined, sir.
Very good. What was that date?
It was
Uh,
about
February 20.
24 or 25, sir.
Actually, mine is 20, sir. 21. Kaviram should be in 20, I think, sir.
20th of February.
Yes, sir. 22 was a GD date. I joined before a day 21 and he joined the day before 20, I think, sir.
Excellent. Best wishes. God bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sure, sir.
Vijay Ajare, if you are getting some doubts, please post the doubts in our WhatsApp group itself. Others will answer, or I will also answer. Okay.
Yes, sure, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Best.
Thank you so
Sure,
much.
sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Bye, sir.